family's over there. Hi, this is Tina from Happy Mail from the Heart. We're in downtown Green Bay. There's Allie, there's Cora and Riley and the hubby. Sam. There's Diamond. And there are the tall ships that are on the Fox. And the giant duck. Kind of cool. Say hi, Diamond.
Hello.
The one at the end's pretty modern there. Way out by the duck.
Well, I'm pretty sure that's what held the duck. Because he's attached, you can see the rope.
Yeah.
Deep really wants to see that.
This one? Who does? The Viking? Yeah. Well, this one right here, Diamond.
Yeah.
We were on that one up in...
That's Black Pearl.
That's in Michigan. Remember? During the rendezvous. And I think
The Black Pearl.
And I want to say that one too.
That was those two and the Viking boat last year were here. When Sam and I were fishing.
Well, that's the tall ships, everybody. And the big duck. Yeah, the big duck.
Don't drop your camera.
And just put your nose on Facebook.
Nice.
One more shot. Alrighty. Bye, everybody.